Welcome back to All Quiz, your daily quiz channel for students across the USA. Today's quiz will test your knowledge, speed, and focus. Choose the correct answer, count your score, and let's begin. Don't forget to comment your final score below and subscribe to All Quiz for daily school quizzes. Let's go! Let's warm up with an easy one. What is 248 plus 137? Take your best guess before the timer runs out. 385. Nice work if you got it. Here's another one. What is 632 minus 289? Think carefully before making your choice. $343. Excellent. You're off to a great start. What is 7 times 8? This one should be quick if you know your multiplication facts. 56. You got it. Can you beat the countdown? What is 72 divided by 9? Don't rush this one. 8. Well done! Let's test your number skills. Which number is greater than 6,500? Choose carefully before time runs out. 6,512. That's right. Keep your streak alive. What is the value of the digit 8 in the number 48,372? Think about place value. 8,000. Great thinking. Fraction time. Which fraction is equal to 1 whole? Look closely at all the options. 4/4. Perfect. Last one before we level up. What is 2/8 plus 3/8? If you're enjoying the quiz, don't forget to subscribe. 5/8. Awesome. Welcome to the medium round. The questions are getting a little trickier now. Stay focused and keep your score going. Round 6,748 to the nearest 100. Take your time before making your choice. 6,700. Nice job. Which number is odd? Look carefully at every option before answering. 97. Correct. Ready for another challenge? What is 25 times 4? See if you can solve it in your head. 100. Excellent work. Here's a word problem. A baker made 36 muffins and packed 6 muffins in each box. How many boxes were filled? 6 boxes. You nailed it. Geometry challenge. Which shape has exactly 1 pair of parallel sides? Don't let this one fool you. 'Trapezoid. Great job! Can you solve this measurement problem? A rectangle is 9 centimeters long and 5 centimeters wide. What is its perimeter? 28 centimeters. Nice thinking. Time to tell time. School starts at 8:20 a.m. and ends at 3:20 p.m. How long is the school day? 7 hours. Fantastic! Last one before the hard round. How many minutes are in 4 hours? Comment your score so far if you're still doing great. 240 minutes. Well done! Welcome to the hard round. These questions will really test your math skills. Let's keep going. Think carefully. Which unit is best for measuring the length of a school bus? Choose wisely. Feet. That's correct. Mental math time. What is 3 times 27? Can you solve it before the timer ends? $81. Great work! Here's a fraction challenge. Which fraction is larger, 3/8 or 5/8? Think before you answer. 5/8. You got it! Can you spot the pattern? What number comes next? 45, 50, 55, 60. 65. Excellent! Stay focused. Which number is the greatest? Every digit matters in this one. 54,982. Nice job! Ready for another multiplication challenge? What is 18 times 5? $90. Correct! Measurement challenge. A ribbon is 32 inches long and is cut into 4 equal pieces. How long is each piece? 8 inches. Brilliant! One more before the final round. A pizza has 12 slices. If 5 slices are eaten, how many slices are left? Hit that subscribe button if you're having fun. 7 slices. Awesome work! Welcome to the expert round. Only the best math detectives finish with a perfect score. Let's see how you do. Expert challenge. Which angle measures less than 90 degrees? Think carefully before choosing. Acute angle. Excellent! Money problem. Lily has $25 and buys a toy for $18. How much money does she have left? $7. Great job! Don't rush this one. Which number is divisible by 4? Take one last careful look. 44. That's right! Almost there! What is 456 plus 289? Stay focused until the very end. 745. Perfect! Can you solve this final word problem? There are 48 students divided equally into 6 groups. How many students are in each group? 8 students. Fantastic! Here comes the final challenge. Emma walked 1,250 meters on Monday and 980 meters on Tuesday. How many meters did she walk altogether? Finish strong and see if you can earn a perfect score. 2,230 meters. Incredible job! Thanks for completing today's quiz. How many answers did you get right? Comment your score below and let us know which grade or subject you want next. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe to All Quiz, and turn on notifications for more daily school quizzes. Keep learning, keep practicing, and see you in the next quiz!